about 35-minute drive from Maria. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. We're here now in Baler. It is raining. It's been raining all night and all morning, and so we're gonna be here at Baler Baptist Church. So super excited for this morning. All of these houses here around the church are relocators. They were essentially forced out of their homes from the beach and relocated here a little bit more inland. So we're here at Baler Southern Baptist Church.
Pamagitan ng mga ulit, tawagin natin si Sister Amor.
Celebrate, Jesus, celebrate! Come on, celebrate!
All he had, the only thing from anything, from anyone. He loves you. He loves you. And died and bleed.
What's crazy about Baler Church is that Baler is now moved 5 times. They had their church destroyed twice by typhoons. The last lot that they were at, they were essentially booted out because of the landlord. So now they're at their 5th location. So definitely be praying for Baler Church. They don't have a concrete floor right now either. So as it was raining earlier, about half of the floor of the church has got water up to about 2 inches. So when it rains, we still ride tricycles. You just have to put a tarp over the whole entire tricycle.
Yes, I've counted up the cost, and you are worth it.
Alright guys, so we just got back from Baler, had an awesome time there this morning. Praise the Lord for what he's continuing to do there. Just be praying for Pastor Francis and also for the facility of Baler Church. As it was raining earlier, as I mentioned earlier, there was a lot of water. So just be praying for them, especially since this is our 5th location as a church. So continue to be lifting them up in your prayers. You can see the additional improvements they've made on the school. They should be done with this in about 4 more weeks leading up to the construction mission.
Sister Rizalyn, kayo ba ay nangangako sa harap ng Diyos at sa harap ng pagtulungan ito ang kanyang Kristo bilang pagsunod sa iyong kanukuban?
So we just finished a child dedication, super popular here in the Philippines, and now we'll be on our way back to Baguio.
Peace.
Alright, so we're about to take a 4 p.m. van going back to Baguio City, about 6 to 7 more hours, and we'll be back at the seminary. So praise the Lord for an awesome weekend of ministry.